Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Mint Instant Sneaker Cleaner. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need your Mint Cleaner Kit, a clean microfiber cloth, and a dry brush. Before applying any cleaner, take a moment to brush off any loose dirt or debris from your sneakers. This initial step helps the cleaner work more effectively. Also, ensure your workspace is protected and well ventilated for a smooth cleaning experience. Now, let's move on to applying the cleaner. It's important to shake the Mint Instant Sneaker Cleaner bottle thoroughly for about 5 to 10 seconds before each use. This ensures the formula is well mixed. You can then apply a small, dime-sized amount of the cleaner directly onto the dirty area of your shoe. For more delicate materials, consider spraying the cleaner onto your brush or a clean cloth first, then gently applying it. With the cleaner applied, it's time to scrub. Using the brush provided in your kit, gently scrub the stained area. Use small, circular motions to work the cleaner into the fabric or material. This action helps to lift and loosen the embedded dirt. Once you have scrubbed the area, take a clean, damp cloth and wipe away all the loosened dirt and any excess cleaner. You will see the grime disappear. Finally, let's talk about finishing up and some best practices. After wiping, allow your sneakers to air dry completely. It's best to let them dry in a cool, shaded area, away from direct sunlight, which can sometimes cause discoloration. For any particularly stubborn stains, feel free to repeat the cleaning process. Remember to store your mint cleaner in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness for many future uses. Enjoy your fresh sneakers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.